little bit of water and just soften off more of the little petals. Now I've got these beautiful green stems, so I'm just going to spend a minute taking my little liner brush, and I'm going to add some Van Dyke Brown to my Viridian. And while it's all beautiful and wet, I'm just going to spend a minute putting little suggestions of stems, where the stems come in and they meet this green central branch. The little soft leaves. Oh, definitely want more brown. Just neutralize my green a little more. I'm just going to drag some water over that branch so it softens off at the top. Add some purple to that mix. I'm going to put some of this green mix over here and drop in some purple. So it's a real grey purple now. It's not purple enough. I'm going to add more purple this time. It's not red. It's magenta, but I consider when I'm adding it, I think of it as a red. Ah, wonderful. That's what I want. Okay, so I got the hairdryer and there was a big puddle in the middle there, and it sent all these shoots of purple running in multiple directions, and I quite like it, so I'm just going to leave it there and work with it and not be worried. So that was the main stem, and I'm hoping that will be like a big focal point by the end of the painting. Next up, I'm going to do the Wisteria. I'll just move my board over so you can see. I've got them sitting here on the right. So I'm going to use this one here as my inspiration to place one over that. Water like that, and then it comes down here. And same deal, I've got the same lovely purpley mix. And then I've got this lovely grey-green ready in the centre to paint. It feels like drawing. And I'm just dragging it through the centre, right down close to that bottom one. Just grab a little bit of green, make it a little greener. A bit more obvious that it's the stem if it's a little greener. Mix of a purpley grey to use to join the petals to the stem. And with this grey mix, I'll suggest another leaf up like that. Lots of water, and yeah, I'm going to make it hang down behind this one. So this time I'm watering generously, not watering to suggest petals. This time I'm watering the whole thing, so it's looser in every way, and then come in with the purple to do the brush strokes again, but hopefully this one looks like it's sitting behind. Come in with my same green, just mixing up a little more, and it's going to come on the side, down through, down to there. It's very wet, so I'm just loading more paint on my brush. To have an impact. Just mixing up a darker batch of the purple over here. So again, I can come in behind wasn't exactly what I had planned, but I'm kind of changing my plan a little bit there. Just putting in little suggestions of flowers that go off into the distance. I've just cleaned my liner brush, and with almost no water on it, I'm going to drag it through and suggest some, foliage or some branches that are off in the distance there, just by dragging the paint around that's on the page already. There's lovely dark bits there. And I might drag the green through it because there was some beautiful leaves associated with it. Just soften some of them. Maybe a dot of green over there to soften again. So as soon as you don't like something, just soften it. And what I mean by that is get water on your brush, move the paint around. And I want to put in some flowers to bring a focal point here. Right. Another liner here. I'm going to switch to using 2 liner brushes. Large quill. There's that green centre that they have. And I might put one up there as well. Okay, I'm just going to add some branches to this area here to finish off. A little bit of water, and then I'm going to put in some of this greyish green. Just bring it down, or I might re-establish that stem as well that goes in and out of there. And then grey green, this, no, this one, I can't remember. There's the little stems that come off all over the place. Softening, using water to soften. Just dragging. Yeah, I like that. That's a little better for that section of colour there, that there's an idea that something's off in the background. And I might add a suggestion of just to give this a little bit of definition, this forward one. Go into the grey. Lots of water. Now there's a real heaviness here that I love, but I feel like it needs to be balanced on the other side. So I'm going to darken in here with this blue, beautiful blue purple that I mixed up, which is this batch. I'll just do a fresh batch, magenta and peacock blue. Check with my little swatch page. Yeah, that's it. So I'm going to match this beautiful intensity, but not on the same side. I'm going to go a little higher here. That's better, I think. And if I bring that green down a little to there. Yep. And over here, do the same, where I'm, not that one, purple. Coming in and adding a little bit of intensity there too. Big water brush and just soften that all out. And perhaps pick up some of that grey green. shapes that might be off in the background. And then I'm just going to soften the sides of some of these little shapes over there as well. Just softening them all. I'm going to just turn my board on the side because I'm left-handed, and that just makes it a little easier for me to sign my name. I'm going to sign it in this lovely grey-green that I've got in the middle here, and I'm just checking that it's dry enough, and then I'm going to sign my name. Marion, reload, Chapman. Final step. It's nearly dry, but it's dry enough for me to remove the tape. And then I'm done. My inspiration point and my painting. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video or you found anything helpful in the video, and please subscribe if you want to see more. I'll be releasing them every Monday.